Today we're going over Manjaro Linux, an install and brief overview. We'll be installing it on a Dell N5040. It has a dual-core Core i3 and a mechanical hard drive. And we're going to dive into this, but before we do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new. I'll give you a second to click that. Okay, let's dive into this. Alright, now that I've loaded Manjaro, so I have to capture this on my phone, but now that I've loaded up Manjaro, I'm going to go ahead and hit this install Manjaro Linux. And it's been a while since I've started Manjaro, so it's been a while, and there's been some controversy, so I'm going to see if it's justified. We'll talk about that in a second. Here we are loading it. It says I'm not connected to the internet. I'm fine with that. We're going to go ahead and change this to Chicago. Next. Now, next for English keyboard. And now we're going to replace the partition, which is this one. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and throw a name on there. Now choose a really secure password, which is really not TR. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to use the same password for the administrator account. Hit next. Now, here's where we will go choose the Office suite. Now, this is where there's a lot of controversy, and it's this free Office right here. I'm going to go ahead and install it because I've actually never tried it. I'm going to see if it's worth the controversy. Hit next. Now it's going to confirm what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit install. And now I'm going to hit install now. And now I'm going to cut it off while it's installing, and I'll bring it right back. That installation took about 10 minutes on this hardware. So I rebooted, and now we're now to the desktop. You get this welcome to Manjaro hello screen. Has your links to your documentation, your support and help, etc. I'm just going to disable this and close. However, you can get it back by going to your menu, System Tools, and it's this Manjaro Hello. So it's right there. Then, of course, this is just your Mate desktop with a browser. I've installed a couple other things. However, what I am going to show you is the add remove software. Let's see, what can I install? I know. This ought to work. There it is. Okay. Install. You just check the install and press apply. That's in my super secret password, TR. And there it goes. Apply. And there it is installed. Then it will appear right in here, games. There it is. And of course, here you go. Boom. I did that on purpose. But it's now mine. Now, That is one of my favorite parts of Manjaro is Mac, which is that, so you don't have to use Pac-Man. It's perfect for new users or users who don't like to use the terminal. You can also remove software and run your updates. So, and also you can go ahead and turn on your AUR in the preferences. Preferences. Here's the AUR. You can turn that on. What in the world? You can turn it on. And all this other stuff. But, that's all. One more thing. We're gonna go. Whoops! I keep hitting that. One more thing. This Office software, this free Office, I'm gonna be using it for a couple days, and then I'll be reviewing it. That's all for this video. Have a great day. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and have a nice day.